Okay, so we're back to the family room. And then you're going to have your master. It's also got tile in the bathroom and then carpet. So it's nicely painted. Carpets, you know, are kind of not the best quality, but it's got your blinds. It's got your double sink, separate tub, shower, toilet area, walk-in closet. And then if we walk back out of the master into our family room, here's the backyard. Backyard's really cute. It's got a nice covered patio. So going down one side, does have lots of grass. Okay, until you go back in and to your house.